Move the cursor on any tab, click right mouse button and show tabs 3D tools. From the tab 3D tools panel section, activate the command flat shot. In dialog window, activate option create, but first of all customize that window and create. Next step, on free field of drawing, specify insertion point. Next step, enter X scale factor, specify maybe I click enter on the keyboard 1 and enter Y scale factor. Yes, I use X scale factor and click enter on the keyboard. Next step, specify rotation angle. It may be 0 and click enter on the keyboard. Next step, if I change the view on top and click analogically command flat shot, do analogically manipulation, I have another flat shot. But enter, enter and enter.